Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Remos folding scissors with leather case. Item number is 7069. Woo! This is a scissor, of course. It's a scissors, but there is more than a scissors. It is a so tiny and cute little scissor out there. It's a little bit so like a €2 coin. Really, it is so tiny, so small, and around it is attached with a leather case. It is really for your pocket. It's really for traveling, etc. It's no problem to get it with you because it is so small. It's really small. It is small and compact. This scissors allows you to save on space by folding up to be no bigger than a €2 coin. But if you unwrap it, you have a precisely cut. The clean and precisely sharpened blades of this scissors guarantee your next cut. Oh. This is awesome, really. It is so tiny, so cute, so small, but it can cut everything what you're going to cut. When on the go, to their size, these folding scissors are ideal for traveling, camping, festivals, etc. And it has a long lifespan. The bird scissors are made from stainless steel. They have been crafted to the highest quality to ensure a long lifespan. And there's a leather case. You will also receive a high-quality leather case to protect the scissor itself. The length is only 10 centimeters. These are 3.9 inches. This is so cute and tiny. And you can easily unfold it. Because if it is folded, you can see it is really compact, really small and safe. Because the folded thing is protecting the blades. If you are going to use these folding scissors, the only thing you have to do is fold the scissor 2 times around. Job's done. Then you have a full function of scissors in your hand. It's really awesome. I like it because it is so smart and so tiny. But it is a scissors. This is a hand-operated shearing tool. A pair of scissors consists of a pair of metal blades pivoted so that the sharpened edges slide against each other when the handles, the bows, opposite to the pivot are closed. That means you have first to unfold it. You have to fold the bows 180 degrees. The other bow you have to fold 180 degrees. And then it's ready. The scissor is ready to cut something. Scissors are used for cutting various thin materials such as paper, cardboard, metal, foil, cloth, ropes, and wires. These small scissors you cannot cut wires and ropes. Cloth, foil, metal foil, okay, cardboard, no problem, papers. But the bigger thing, not so. But it's awesome for your fingernails. It's really awesome. It's so compact and it's easy to use with your fingernails and other things you have to cut. It is a large variety of scissors and shears are all axes for a specialized purposes. And in this case, you have this special thing. It is foldable. Wow, folding scissors are awesome. And it is stainless. The small handy scissors folded together are not much larger than a €2 coin. With leather case, and when folding the scissors blade must be closed, otherwise the blade can be damaged. But it's really easy, as you can see. You can perform this too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.